How to play Roblox VR on the Meta Quest 3. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The steps are quite simple. First of all, you have to install the Roblox on Meta Quest 3. Open the menu bar, explore the button or the shop button. Then search for Roblox in the search bar. Select the Roblox app from the search results and then click on the get button to install the app. Once installed, you have to click on open. Next step is to log in with Roblox. If you are logging in it for the first time, you will see a screen with a button that says login with another device. Click on this button to proceed. This will now give you a 60-day code that will appear on your VR headset screen. Now you have to log in into your computer or phone. Now you will have to click on the gear icon and then tap on the quick sign in. This is on the top right corner of the screen. Now you have to enter the 60-digit code from your VR headset that you received before. After entering, put in your headset back and you should be now logged in into Roblox on your Meta Quest 3. However, not all Roblox games are VR compatible. Games such as Blox Fruits in VR indicated by a cross on the play button indicates that it is not compatible and cannot be played. So look for games that are supported. After this, you can explore and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and for more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.